Finally. Oh, there it is.
This is the National Weather Service Office.
Weekly test.
Ohio. The preceding signal
It was a weekly test.
radio station KJY 68 Chillicothe, Ohio. Public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Fairfield, Fayette, Hocking, Jackson, Pickaway, Pike, Ross, and Benton. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KJY 68 Chillicothe, Ohio.
So, the 249 went off. Solarlink went off. 74210 went off. 12-250 went off. And the WR120 went off. The version 5 and the 259 and the AcuRite, which is sitting behind that iPhone speaker, were turned off, and WX priority was not on the Bearcat. God dang it, the WR120 had to scare me.